If you use Google Chrome every day, there's a built-in tool that can help you see exactly what's slowing things down. And that tool is Chrome Task Manager. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Chrome Task Manager in just a few seconds. This is super useful if Chrome is running slowly, a tab is freezing, or you want to check which website or extension is using the most memory or CPU. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. If you're using a Windows PC or Linux computer, the fastest way to open Chrome Task Manager is to press Shift and ESC on your keyboard at the same time. That's Shift plus Escape. As soon as you do that, Chrome Task Manager should pop up in a separate window. If you're on a Chromebook, the shortcut is a little different. You'll need to press Search and ESC at the same time. On some keyboards, the Search key may also be called the Launcher key, but it works the same way. Once Chrome Task Manager is open, you'll see a list of the tabs, extensions, and other Chrome processes currently running. From there, you can quickly identify what is taking up the most resources. If one tab is using too much memory or a page is frozen, you can select it and end the process if needed. That can help Chrome run more smoothly without having to close the entire browser. So to recap, on Windows and Linux, use Shift plus ESC. On ChromeOS, use Search plus ESC. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to access Chrome Task Manager instantly whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Chrome tips and browser shortcuts.